Every time when we think that youth has to be catered to, youth has to be formed well, and we need to. But let us also realize they still love God. They love God, they come here, they seek Him. Maybe we also have to devise some unique plans, unique ways of our behavior to put across to them that faith is the Lord is trying to instill in them. Whatever we have seen, I think the youngsters are going through the whole phase of loneliness. The whole dimension of community, the sense of belonging gets divided again and again with the thoughts of groupism, the taunting, and all those things, the so many expectations, and it's been so much heavy laden on them. Jesus lives. As long as we are alive, the whole Christian people, we have a reason of hope. And I think even in their brokenness, they will arise. Even in our brokenness, we shall be arise. Let us build that community under the banner of Christ, because He is the Savior. He is the one who unites through His body and blood. And youth are the reason to unite. They are going to be the best hope we can ever have in this era.
Everything was a great experience overall. I would recommend all the other more youth members to come.
Day with the Lord was a very nice and spiritual experience. This was my first time for the Day with the Lord, and I enjoyed it to the most. And it was a very informative, and it brought me not one step, but a lot more closer to God.
Father Blaze has done, the animator has done great job with getting the youth together for such program. And I wish that everyone, all the youth who are in various parishes across Goa, do join in for such more events. You will truly enjoy and make the most of it and be closer to God.
I really liked whenever this DYC organizes the events and all. Like every time it's a different experience. And today's event, it was Day with the Lord, and I loved it.
It was much needed experience for the youth, because we are in the season of Lent, where they could reflect over themselves and how they live their life. Because it was an opportunity, it was a time to see and change their ways, the way the Lord wanted. It was indeed a day with the Lord for all the youth. I'm not a youth, but still I had a wonderful time here with the youth, and the whole program was well organized by Father Blaze, the animation songs and activities and talk and so on. Yeah, and I hope that more this type of events or programs could be organized for the youth, so that they could reflect over themselves and change their life.
I'm coming home, I've done my time. Now I've got to know what is and isn't mine. If you receive my letter telling you I'd soon be free, then you'll know just what to do if you still want me. If you still want me. Whoa, tie a yellow ribbon around the old tree. It's been 3 long years. Do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon around the old tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree. Bus driver, please look for me, 'cause I couldn't bear to see what I might see. I'm really still in prison and my love she holds the key. A simple yellow ribbon's what I need to set me free. I wrote and told her please. Whoa, tie a yellow ribbon round the old tree. It's been 3 long years. Do you still want me? If I don't see a ribbon around the old tree, I'll stay on the bus, forget about us, put the blame on me. If I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree.
टेन्शन चालू न्ही वॉटेवर इट इज लायक सगळ्यांक पर्सनल इंटेन्शन मुगे पर्सनल इंटेन्शन दुसऱ्या गेली एंड लायक हिंगा एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळी दुसऱ्यांक गेली लायक प्रेयर्स तुका दुसऱ्यांक स्टँड घेवपा लायक तेंका प्रेयर्स तेंकां तेंच्या पासत प्रे करपा लायक मेळ्ळें
100 yellow ribbons round the old tree. I'm coming home.
Tie ribbon round the old oak tree. 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 Tie ribbon round the old oak tree.
Thank you very much to each and everyone who has organized this wonderful day effortlessly for us.